In this video, I will quickly show you how to create an account or apply for the Chase Sapphire credit card. First, go to the official Chase website using your phone or computer browser. After that, find the credit card section and select Chase Sapphire, which may be preferred or reserve. Now, click Apply Now to start the application. Next, fill out the form with your personal information such as full name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide your tax identification number and financial information. After that, review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Now submit your application and wait for the credit review performed by the bank. The result may appear instantly or within a few days depending on the verification process. If approved, the card will be mailed to the address you provided. Once you receive the card, you can activate it using the Chase mobile app or the official website. Then you can start using the card benefits such as points, cashback, and travel rewards. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for Chase Sapphire easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.